Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cut TV, brought to you by CRAFTSUPRINT at www.craftsupprint.com. Now in this episode we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit from Val Knight, and it's Christmas! It's Christmas in the summertime, yay! This is called Jingle All the Way Mini Page Kit. The cup number is cup 1014294_58488. As I say, it's by Val Knight. You get 2 sheets and it's full of decoupage and it fits a 7x7" square card base. I'd like to show you what you get in the kit and then we're going to make the gorgeous card. So the first sheet is the actual card front, Jingle All the Way, and it says Merry Christmas at the bottom. We've got lots of decoupage to put on the front. Now you can use it all or you can use just part of it. It's completely up to you. You don't have to cut all the decoupage out. The second sheet in the kit is the insert panel, which is just as beautiful as the front of the card. And we've got a mini card which would be ideal for a gift tag, something to go with a gift, maybe on the side of a gift bag. We've got some extra sentiments as well, just in case you would prefer to say Happy Christmas or Season's Greetings, etc. And a blank one if you wanted to use your own sentiment. So we're going to start off with our card base. This is the actual mini card actually, just before I start. So when you've cut it out, scored it and folded it, how cool is that to go with a gift? It's just such a beautiful gift card. I really like that. And I think it would look so great on any of your Christmas gifts, that. So our card base is a 7x7" white square card. I'm going to start off to put the insert panel inside the card. Now this is very straightforward. If you're a new crafter, the insert panel just finishes the card off. It makes it match perfectly. There's room on it normally for your message, etc., to the recipient. And we just add the insert panels on using flat tape or wet PVA white glue or a tape runner, whatever you're happy using. So I've just peeled away the carrier sheet from my double-sided tape, and I'm going to add the insert into the card and press it down. So that's nice and straightforward and such a beautiful insert. So for the front of the card, I've taken the card design front, I've cut it out, and again I've got this on flat tape. So I can peel away the carrier tape and just add the front to the card itself and press it down. Now if you wanted to leave it like that, you know, that's absolutely fine. If you're a new crafter and you're unsure about building decoupage, that looks beautiful as it is, but we're going to take it to the next stage. So included in the kit that Val's created is the decoupage. So I'm going to start off with the decoupage bells at this side. I've got 3D foam on the back, and all I'm going to do is add the bells over the design on the card base, marrying up the design and then pressing it down. Next, I've taken the poinsettia, I've cut out the base layer on 3D foam, and I marry up the design on the card. And then the next layer of poinsettia. Now I know there was 3 layers, I've only opted for 2. So I've got 3D foam on the back of that, and I just simply marry up the design, press it down. Then we've got the bells at the bottom. So I've cut them out and they're on 3D foam. So then the 2 bells, again on 3D foam. And then I've got one of the tiny little bows that's in the kit. And I'm just going to add it to the top of that bell there. There we go. And then to finish the card, I've got the Merry Christmas sentiments. There we go. And that is our card finished. You can see that gorgeous decoupage, and just how beautiful is that, and the matching little gift tag as well. So gorgeous. I'd like to remind you of the cup number, and it's cup 1014294_58488 by Val Knight. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.